Hi, my name's Tanya Eklund. I'm with Remax Real Estate Central in Calgary, Alberta. Welcome to 507 Riverdale Avenue. This magnificent home is the only designed and built Mike Homes home in Calgary, Alberta. Features over 6,800 square feet of developed living space and sits on the banks of the Elbow River. Why don't you follow me in? The main floor features include floor-to-ceiling windows. The sunny south backyard illuminates the home and provides a plethora of natural light. Kitchen has warm tones with Wolf and Miele appliances. Heated floors throughout, custom hood fan, and a large island to entertain on. Custom nook table and bench, perfect for a casual evening dinner. Impressive dining room overlooking the river with butler pantry, and the main floor second den and mudroom complete this floor. Some of the impressive features of this home include the green living plant wall, LED lighting, solar panels, rooftop patio, green roof, and over $250,000 spent in the engineering and design of this home. Second floor consists of large laundry room with drying racks and exterior clothesline, gym room, gym mat floor, 3 good-sized bedrooms, 2 with their own private balcony. 2 bedrooms share a bath and 1 bedroom has their own ensuite bath. With over 2,300 square feet of developed living space in the lower level, all walnut sliding soundproof doors create privacy to each room. This basement has it all, with a large dual sub-zero wine storage, rec room, media room, crafts room, and bedroom with 6-piece ensuite, including custom sauna. Take the stairs or your elevator to the 3rd floor master bedroom, reading area overlooking river, custom hidden remote activated TV, large art wall, and walk-in closet with door paneled covers. Escape to the spa-inspired ensuite with Airstream tub, makeup desk, dual sinks, steam shower, and private water closet. Attached to master is a large den with extensive built-ins and balcony with accordion sliding doors overlooking the beautiful Elbow River. Thank you for joining me on this tour of this magnificent Mike Homes built home. If you have any questions or would like to book a private showing, please call me directly at 403-863-7434.